right, welcome back to Lou's Demos Installs. Today we're going to be talking about Tenable. The particular product is Nessus, a vulnerability scanner. This is the website you would go to register to download it with your student email address. And then inside your email, you'll be given a download link to download it with a key. And then you pick which version, which platform. So I've got this set up to do Linux. So I just copy and paste this in there. And then I just go right down to, and I already SSH into the machine. And here we go. So then essentially here we just type in the curl command, it fetches it. And then the next thing we need to do is do an ls. And I got my caps key, and I can hit the right keys. Now we're going to do DNF install space capital N and then tab. Then we should be able to hit enter, and then that should fetch it. All right. So now we have and now we'll need to start the service. So we'll just right click, paste. Because by default, when we install this, it's not up and running. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to go to https:// our IP address, and then we're going to do the 2 dots, and then we're going to do 8, and now I need to go back and look again. So it says here, where is, here we go. So it says 8834. Okay. So we're going to do 834. And then here we can see it's taking us to a self-signed certificate. We're going to hit proceed. And there we go. We're going to hit continue. We're going to set up Nessus Plus for education. And then you're going to put in that key that you have. So I'm going to pause the video real quick. Okay. So then once you put your key in there, and then it's going to ask you if you want to activate, then it's going to ask you to put in a username. And then I'm just going to make it Nessus. And then here, this is going to take some time because it's going to require a install plugin. So this probably can take anywhere from 5 and up. So depending on the day of the week, your internet speed is going to determine how fast these plugins will work. All right. So I'm just going to pause the video and see you back when it's done. All right, so here's what it looks like when it's done installing. So it's taking us welcome to Nessus Scan, where it wants to create a target. So that'll be a separate video walking through setting up and going over the different parts of the scan. All right, see you then.